Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you today. I'm very excited because I want to tell you about something I love very much. It's something that always makes me feel calm, happy, and full of ideas. It is my favorite hobby, drawing. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time. It's not for work or school. It's something you enjoy just because it makes you feel good. Everyone has different hobbies. Some people like sports, such as football or basketball. Others enjoy music, dancing, or reading books. Some people like cooking, gardening, or collecting things. For me, my favorite hobby is drawing, and it's a very important part of my life. I started drawing when I was a little child. I still remember the first time I picked up a pencil and drew a small house with a tree beside it. It wasn't perfect, of course, but I was so proud of it. My parents smiled and said, "That's beautiful." From that moment, I knew that drawing was something special to me. It was something I wanted to do again and again. As I grew older, my drawings became better. I began to notice small details in the world around me. The shape of a leaf, the colors of the sunset, the shadows on a face. I started trying to draw what I saw. Sometimes it looked real, and sometimes it didn't, but that never mattered to me. The most important thing was that I enjoyed every minute of it. When I draw, I feel peaceful. I forget about everything else, my homework, my phone, my worries, and I just focus on the paper in front of me. It's like entering another world, a world where I can create anything I want. If I feel happy, I draw bright and colorful pictures. If I feel sad or tired, I draw quiet scenes, like the sea at night or a rainy window. Drawing helps me express my feelings without using words. I use different tools for my drawings. Most of the time, I start with a pencil. I make soft lines first, and then I add more details. When I finish the sketch, I sometimes use colored pencils, markers, or watercolors to bring the picture to life. Recently, I started learning digital drawing on my tablet. It's amazing because I can use many colors, layers, and brushes without needing paper. Both traditional and digital drawing are fun for me. They're just different ways to express the same love for art. I usually draw in the evening when I have finished my homework. I sit by my desk with a cup of tea or juice, put on some calm music, and start drawing. I don't always plan what to draw. Sometimes I just let my hand move, and little by little, a picture appears. Time passes so quickly when I draw. Sometimes I start in the afternoon and suddenly realize it's already night. Drawing has taught me many things. It taught me patience because a good drawing takes time. It taught me to focus because I need to look carefully at shapes, colors, and details. It also taught me not to give up easily. At first, many of my drawings didn't look good, and I felt disappointed. But I learned that every artist improves with practice. Now, when I look at my old drawings, I smile because I can see how much I've improved. One of my favorite parts of drawing is showing my work to others. My family always supports me. My parents often say, "You're very talented." My friends sometimes ask me to draw something for them, maybe a portrait or a small cartoon. I also like giving drawings as gifts. It's such a personal and creative way to show love and friendship. Seeing someone smile when they receive one of my drawings makes me feel proud and happy. Drawing also connects me with other people who love art. I follow artists on social media and watch tutorials on YouTube to learn new techniques. Sometimes I join art challenges where people from all over the world draw something based on the same theme. It's exciting to see how different people express the same idea in different ways. For my hobby, I don't need a lot of things, just a pencil, some paper, and imagination. But what I really need is time and a calm mind. I can draw anywhere, at home, in the park, or even while waiting for the bus. Sometimes I draw what I see around me, and sometimes I draw from my imagination. Wherever I am, drawing makes me feel at peace. Drawing is more than just a fun activity for me. It's a way to understand myself and the world. It helps me express things I can't say with words. It gives me confidence and makes me proud of what I can do. When I'm drawing, I feel free. Free to imagine, to dream, and to create. After a busy or stressful day, drawing helps me relax. I take my sketchbook, sit in a quiet place, and start drawing. Slowly, my stress disappears, and I feel calm again. It's like therapy for my mind. I think everyone should have a hobby they love. A hobby makes life more colorful and enjoyable. It helps you grow, learn, and discover what makes you truly happy. For me, that's drawing. It's not just a hobby, it's a part of who I am. So, what about you? What is your favorite hobby? Maybe you like playing sports, reading books, or cooking delicious food. Or maybe, like me, you love drawing and bringing your imagination to life on paper. Whatever your hobby is, do it with love and joy. Thank you for listening to my story today. I hope my words inspire you to follow your passions and spend more time doing what makes you happy. See you in the next video, and don't forget to keep creating, dreaming, and subscribe to Easy English Hub channel. Bye for now.